What's up, YouTube? This is JB back with another video. Hope the wind ain't too much because the wind picked up a little bit. But in today's video, I'm dropping the truck off at the Ford dealership to get something installed in the interior. They're gonna have the truck for a couple of days, so let's see what they're gonna put me in. But I guess first, let's go ahead and do this first cold start on the channel for the F-250. Let's see. Alright, so that's the first cold start for the channel. But let's go ahead and hop in the truck so we can get to the dealership and get this started. Alright, so now I'm on my way to the dealership. If this is your first time on the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and then of course if you like this video, hit the like and check out some of my other videos. Majority of stuff on this channel I'm gonna try to tailor toward my 67 fastback build. So update on that, I will be ordering my front suspension this week. So I ordered this week. I think the guy said that it'll take about 2 weeks to get here. So I'll leave you guys, guessing on which suspension I ended up going with. If you don't already know, I'm doing a Coyote swap, so I have to do the independent front suspension. So hopefully in the next 2 weeks or so, I'll be able to have another video unboxing, what suspension parts I got so far. And I'm gonna pick up some other things along the way and, do some videos on that too. But all right, I'm gonna go ahead and put this down and go ahead and get to this dealership. All right, so I'm leaving the dealership. Dang, the sun is killing me. But I'm leaving the dealership right now in the loaner truck. They gave me an F-150. But this will do. I mean, I'm only gonna have it for a couple days. So next time you see me, I'm gonna be going to pick up the truck. So you'll get to see what I did then. All right, so I got the call that the truck is ready. So I'm on my way right now to go pick it up. I can't wait to see how everything turned out. When I asked the dude how it looked, he was like, "You gonna love it." So I'm ready to go see it. I'm ready to get back in my truck. They got me in this F-150. I mean, it ain't bad. I mean, this is still not a nice truck, but it ain't my 250. So I'm ready to go get back in my truck. All right, so just pulled up, and here it is. But I don't know. Let's see. Oh, it's looking good though. Y'all can't see it, but I can. Let me go in here and get this key and go ahead and check it out. So right now I'm just waiting around. So I guess I just walked around and came across this Mustang Mach-E. Window sticker is 56. It's definitely different. But I mean, hopefully I'm not sitting out here waiting too long. I'm ready to go ahead and get out of here. But y'all will get to see the truck soon. So just hold on, because I'm ready to actually see it too. All right, so here it is. Bam. Leather seats, leather interior now. I had the cloth before, went ahead and did it because I was in a rush to just go ahead and get out of my Jeep and getting something else. I don't like sitting up there waiting because I always feel like something could happen during that time waiting. So I went ahead and, you know, they had the 7.3, they had it in black. So I went with this, and they told me it wouldn't be much to go ahead and upgrade to the leather seats. So I just went ahead and did it. So this is how it came out. But I like it though. But all right, go ahead and check out this B-roll. Alright, so I'm back in the truck again, but I got one complaint. It's not about the install or nothing like that, but the fact that whenever you drop your truck or car off somewhere, it's like they always mess up the seat. So now I'm gonna have to spend some time trying to get the seat back to where I had it, and it's never gonna be the same again. But that's one thing that get on my nerve. That's like a pet peeve. It's like, do not mess with my seat. But I'm happy to have it back. It looked good, it feel good. So I mean, I'm happy. So I mean, if you like this video, you know, go ahead and press that like button and subscribe. I will be ordering, like I said before, ordering the front suspension for my Mustang. I might probably end up doing that tomorrow. So then I think the guy said it'll take about 2 weeks to come. So I'll have another video about that. And I'm gonna get some more videos because there's still a lot of other things I gotta pick up. So some smaller things I could do some videos on. But yeah, go ahead and check out those other videos if you haven't yet. But until next time, all right, peace.